Hey guys, it's your girl Kalia. I'm back with a loose curl hair tutorial. Be sure to follow me on IG at HeyKalia21. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Salt Spray. The next thing is a comb, a bobby pin to pin your hair, and my Remington curling wand. And that's the degrees I'm going to use it on. I'm also going to use a hair clip, and now I'm just going to comb through my hair. I've already parted it in a section, and now it's about a 1-inch section of hair that I'm going to curl. I'm just going to wrap the hair around the curling wand. And one key thing you should do when you're trying to curl your hair is to make sure that the hair is flat on the wand. It really helps to make definition on the curl. And this is what I'm going to do after the hair is curled. I'm going to pin it up. Of course, spraying it first with my sea salt spray so that you can see how the spray works and it maintains the hair. I really like this spray because it's about a medium hold. So I just sprayed the hair twice, maintaining the shape, and now I'm just going to pin it to my hair, not to my actual scalp, but just as close as possible to my scalp. And I am going to use 2 pins just to secure it. And that's how it looks. Now once again, I comb through the hair. I put the hair flat on the iron. And I am going to be doing different levels. I'm not going to do them all up to the same place so that I can get different type of curls, different variety. I do this so that the curls can be more voluminous and have more definition. That's how the curl looks. Now I'm just going to spray it down again. And I'm just going to pin it the same way that I pinned the last curl. Now I'm going to do the same thing I did to the other side to this side. I'm just going to speed through a bit. As you see, just lay the hair down flat. Wait at least 30 seconds. Then just spray it down and pin it. I like to pin the hair because it secures the curl as it sets. And I feel like the curls last longer when I pin them versus when I just let them sit freely. Once again, just curling it. And I do like to curl the hair in different directions because it also adds volume and more definition. As you see, just now I used my iron to flatten my hair because I saw there was some flyaways. If ever you have some trouble with your hair and you want to iron it down, you can just pass your wand right in front of your hair, right on top of your hair, and it will flatten down any flyaways that you may have. So that's also another tip. You can use your curling iron as a straightening iron in a way. So I chose a middle part for this look. You can choose any part, it doesn't really make a difference. This is just the one that I wanted. And now I'm just continuing to curl the hair. For this top part, I will be pinning it to my scalp. Just curling in different directions. Now for this front piece that frames my face, I chose to curl it away from my face because I feel like it just looks better that way. So always curl your hair in the front the way that you want it to frame your face. I feel like it's one of the most important parts of the look because however your face is framed by your hair is how your look comes together. Now I'm just going to curl my hair away from my face like I did for the other side. I kept my hair pinned for about 20 minutes to let it cool down. And this is how the curls came out. I'm going to take them down now. Very bouncy and beautiful. And of course, that hairspray really helped to keep the curls bouncy and beautiful like they are right now. I really recommend you get some kind of hairspray because it really helps the curls to maintain throughout the day. And now I'm just going to continue to take down the hair. This is how the curls came out. And I'm going to comb through them just to give it a more loose style. Now I'm just going to continue to comb through the hair to style it to my liking. Now I'm gonna spray some of the sea salt spray on my hand, and I'm just gonna apply all over the top of my head so that there are no flyaways. And these are the final results. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.